If you're printing and the Anycubic cloud goes down, you can switch your printer and on your slicer to LAN mode, which is local area network. So how you do that is you click on the settings, and then at the top you'll see network. So you click on network, and then it'll tell you the count and the WLAN, and then the LAN mode. If you click on the LAN mode, it'll give you an option to switch it on. So if you just switch that on, the LAN only mode is in operation. And then if you see that, it'll give you an IP address. So this is your Wi-Fi IP address. What you have to do is go to your slicer and put that address into your slicer, and I'll show you how to do that. If you want to switch it back to cloud, so you can print on the cloud, then all you do is you take the LAN mode off, then you go back, and then on the counter it'll say not connected. So if you want to connect it, you have to open up your app, your Anycubic phone app, and then scan that, and it will reconnect it to your Anycubic account.
So once you've changed your printer settings to LAN, you go into your slicer, go to Workbench, and at the top here you'll see LAN printer, and you can click on that and add printer, and then it will say connect by IP, and the IP address which is on the screen you need to type into this box. So once you've typed your IP address in from the printer screen, you just push OK, and it will connect to your local area network, and then you don't need to use the cloud. So when the cloud goes down, you can still print wherever you want to print. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and keep an eye out for other videos which I'll be posting.